This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, double check you're still subscribed to the channel. Double check your notifications are on. And if you hit that like button, double check it's working properly, because these bad actors are working overtime to suppress the channel, because they're terrified of more people becoming aware of the fraud and corruption in the United States stock market. Guys, listen to me. Listen to me. The NWBO lawsuit is moving forward. And this is probably sending shivers down the spines of the bad actors, because I believe, and this is just my opinion, that the discovery is going to expose all the naked shorting, the washing, the spoofing, the FTDs, and the dog pool abuse. Everyone knows by now that NWBO is suing the bad actors for manipulating their stock. Okay? And here's the thing. I also believe there's a good possibility that NWBO is going to get authorization for their cancer treatment in the European Union probably sometime in early 2026. That is a possibility, but of course, I can't determine a time frame. But here's the thing. You guys know that I go to Pacer. I follow the lawsuit. And on October 13th, the discovery phase of the lawsuit has started. Officially 2 days ago, on October 13, 2025. And this, in my opinion, is great news, not just for NWBO, but for everybody who's long on a stock that these bad actors have been naked shorting over the past 5 years. You know why? Because I believe it's going to show a pattern of behavior that's going to open up the floodgates and force the SEC, the DOJ, the FBI to start doing their job protecting retail investors, pension funds, and institutions that follow the rules. This is what the naked shorters, the bad actors, are terrified of. They are terrified of discovery in a lawsuit, because then they have to turn over their trading history, they have to turn over the blue sheets, and we get to see everything they've been doing for the last couple of years, or during the time frame of the lawsuit anyway, during the time frame of the lawsuit. And here's the thing. I believe, and this is just my opinion, they should be able to pull in the trading history of other companies also that these bad actors are invested in, or that they've shorted or naked shorted, to show a pattern of behavior. So these same guys that are naked shorting NWBO, they're probably naked shorting GNS, they're probably naked shorting AMC, they're probably naked shorting GME, they probably naked shorting BINI, they probably naked shorting Quant, and they're definitely, in my opinion, naked shorting Beyond Meat. But if these bad actors that are accused of naked shorting NWBO, if they're also invested in shorting all these other companies, then the attorneys more than likely can get the judge to force them to turn over their trading history of these other companies also, like AMC, GME, and other companies, to show a pattern of behavior on the part of these defendants. And I believe that is going to open the floodgates, and more than likely, and I hope this doesn't happen, but there might be a settlement. There might be a settlement so they don't have to turn over that discovery to the courts. I mean, that is a distinct possibility. You know, is that good for the market? I don't think so. I think that they need to be exposed. I think the court system, the SEC, the DOJ, the FBI need to see the full trading history, the blue sheets, everything of NWBO over the last 5 years, because it is going to be unequivocal proof of the manipulation and the fraud and corruption in the United States stock market. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think the discovery phase in the NWBO lawsuit is going to be positive in other companies as well, like AMC, GME, and other stocks that are being heavily naked shorted? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.